Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Bash. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Bash? Bash, short for Born Again Shell, is a popular command line shell and scripting language used primarily on Unix-like operating systems including Linux and Mac OS. It provides a text-based interface to interact with the operating system services and execute commands. Bash is powerful for automating repetitive tasks through scripts, managing files and directories, and controlling system configurations. It's widely used by system administrators, developers, and power users due to its versatility and the vast ecosystem of command line utilities available. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Bash or Born Again Shell. Thank you so much for your support by watching, likes, comments, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new in my channel, please support it by clicking the subscribe button. You might click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Until then, see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.